Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be breaking down an S&P 500 trade setup that was taken not only live, but also I will show you the live market executions on TradingView as well. All right, this trade was very simple and very straightforward. All right, and all the information is going to be in and throughout the video, so be sure to pay attention and be sure to take notes. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into a quick commercial, and then let's get right into the video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube family. Feel free to hit the bell notification icon to be updated whenever I upload a new video. And if you find any value within this video, not only leave a like, but feel free to share it with a friend who's trying to get into day trading. Let's get into the commercial and then let's get into the video. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that commercial, and now let's go ahead and get right into the video. So in this video, we're not going to break down this 11.44 R trade. In this video, we're going to break down this trade here that took place on December 5th, okay, that produced about 6.16% return on investment, right? We risked around 6.8 handles for about 41.9 handles, so not bad at all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the breakdown. So starting on the M15 time frame, where we originally drew our confluence off of, right? So usually on Mondays, I will trade London session, and I really don't typically trade New York session, AM, but on this Monday, right, we can see here that London session really didn't give us an opportunity based on how I trade and what I like to look for to take a buy or a sell position. So my first confluence is on the M15 time frame. We can see that we have this swing high here, okay? And we can see that price gives us a bullish candle and we sweep this swing high here, right? Now this takes place after we have already shown that we want to go lower by taking out this swing low here and price continuing to push to the downside. So once we had a swing high form, we had this next bearish candle here taking out this swing low, and then we had this bullish candle sweeping this entire range here that showed me that that could possibly be a sweep of buy side liquidity. Now, if you guys do want to be able to take advantage of my analysis and things like that, be sure to head over to the website and check out our trade analysis package, right? Within this trade analysis package, I essentially break down very clean cut moves based on my strategy. And it really just helps you understand exactly what to look for within the market in order to take these trades, right? So if you guys would like complete breakdowns, right, just feel free to head over to the website, check out the trade analysis package. Now let's get back to the video. So after we had a sweep of buy side liquidity here, okay, we then see that price falls over to the downside. We see a full candlestick body close below, okay, this wick here. I use this bullish candle as my bearish order block, right? And then we can also see that we have inefficient pricing that was offered as well, right? So the candle that triggered equities open is going to be this 9:30 a.m. candle here. Okay, that is when I started to look for my trade opportunity. So far in the M15 time frame, as you guys can see, we have a sweep of buy side liquidity. We have a break of a swing low showing us momentum to the downside or displacement, right? So essentially we have accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution here, right? So after that distribution, we want to see price trade back into that inefficient pricing that was offered or any other bearish confluence that we have, and then we want to look for our entry schematic. So let's go to the lower time frame and let's go ahead and break down the entry. All right, so now that we are in a lower time frame looking for a possible entry, we can see here that this is where price trades back into our bearish order block here based on the M15 time frame, and also our bearish inefficient pricing that was offered here, right? So once price trades back into that, I'm simply just looking for certain entry confluences to take place. This can either look like candlestick patterns. This can be found using your Fibonacci retracement. This can be found using imbalances and inefficient pricing that's offered, right? There's a lot of different ways that you guys can look for your entries, but each entry that I look for will be explained and broken down within either the mentorship program or within the index course that is coming within the next couple of weeks for you guys. So as we can see here, we have a swing low. Okay, that swing low gets taken out with displacement, and we have imbalance or inefficient pricing here. Price returns with this bullish candle to this inefficient pricing that was offered. I set my stop above this high here, and then the rest was history, right? We then looked for possible continuations throughout this area. So we tried to look for a continuation here. It wasn't given. There was a continuation here that was given. As you guys can see, it did tag our continuation model. However, this was in between the hours of 12 p.m. and 1, and that's usually a time where I don't trade at all. So I'm usually either at the gym, or I am at lunch, or in a meeting with my team, right? So I didn't trade in between this time, so it was not tagged here. And then the take profit was simply just based on our 60-minute time frame, right? Now last week we had not only the Fed speaking, which gave us a really nice bullish move to the upside, right? And if you're part of our live trading, shout out to everyone a part of our live trading, right? Because last week we broke down exactly what the Fed was saying on our PM session. So if you guys are not a part of our live trading, what I want you to do is head over to the website and check out our weekly trading passes. Yes, you guys heard it properly. So on a weekly basis, you guys will be able to sign up for these trading sessions, AM and PM trading sessions, right? And be able to take advantage of the market right along with me. So everyone who was on that live trading session last week, right? So we had a nice bullish move, which took place here. This was on Wednesday when the Fed was speaking, and we broke down everything that the Fed was talking about and why we saw that bullish move. And then we had a nice bearish move here on Thursday. Entry was given. I will break that down for you guys. That was the 11.44% trade that you guys saw earlier, right? And then we had NFP news drop, which produced this very, very nice bearish candle here, right? So if you were able to, right, so with this nice bearish candle, this was actually where we were looking for price to target for our take profit. So if we go back to the M15 time frame, right, we can see how this area here was our entry, and then this area right here is where we decided to target. So let's go back to a time frame where we can see our entry, and let's put it back on the M15. And as you guys can see here, right, entry was here, and then we simply just targeted this low. Let's go ahead and turn on our executions once again, and then the labels as well. And there you guys have it, right? So this was where we took the sell. All right, if we go back to our entry time frame, there you have it. So this is where we took our sell position, and then this is where we were able to recover our sell contracts, right? So not bad at all. Very, very nice move. Overall collecting about 42 handles on the S&P, producing about 6.16%. So if you would like to catch these moves live, feel free to check out the live trading package. But if you want a little bit more of a mentorship program, feel free to also check out our mentorship program. The prices on all of our services have dropped dramatically, right? It took me forever to convince the team, but I finally did. So feel free to head over to the website, go to our gain access page, and see what it is that you can gain access to, right? And if you guys want to gain access to my free Telegram, all right, the link is going to be in the description. I pretty much drop my AM and PM session trades that I take live. I pretty much drop a breakdown inside of the Telegram. So feel free to take advantage of that if you are a trader and you like to trade the index market. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Much love. Peace out.